According to government statistics, over 22 million people in the UK receive some kind of benefit payment, whether this is universal credit, a housing benefit, or something else. However, these benefits are sometimes not quite enough to cover the cost of living. And if you are in this situation, you may be considering a loan to relieve your financial stress. But can you take out a loan if you receive benefits? Well, in this video, we'll give you all the answers. So let's take a look. Thankfully, there are plenty of different loan options available if you're on benefits. Did you know that there are types of loans available from the government? Options include budgeting loans, which are interest-free loans from the government if you need to borrow less than £1,000. Budgeting advance loans, which are another type of interest-free loan. And universal credit advance loans, which are interest-free loans while you wait for your first universal credit payment. Depending on your situation, there may be plenty of non-government loan options available, such as personal loans, debt consolidation loans, logbook loans, and loans from credit unions. For more information on loan options if you receive benefits, click the link to our article in the description. The type of benefit you receive will be a key consideration alongside your credit history and score, the affordability of the loan for your situation, and whether or not you have a guarantor. So what benefits could be accepted as income? Most lenders will accept child benefit, disability living allowance, employment and support allowance, universal credit, and several others. However, it's important to note that some benefits like housing benefit or income support usually don't count as income for loan purposes. Applying for a loan when you're on benefits is pretty straightforward and follows the conventional process. You can apply online or even by post or phone. You will also need to provide the amount you want to borrow, your repayment term, the reason for the loan, details about your income from benefits and any other sources, information about your outgoings. However, taking out a loan is a big financial decision, so it's important to consider your alternatives. For instance, 1. Check if you're getting all the benefits you're entitled to. 2. Ask friends or family for help. 3. Look for ways to cut back on spending. 4. Use credit cards or overdrafts cautiously, if at all. Taking out a loan while on benefits also comes with some major risks, as interest rates will normally be higher. As such, make sure you can comfortably afford the repayments to avoid damaging your financial position. It's also important to note that your benefits won't stop when you get a loan. However, if you have over £6,000 in savings, some of your benefit claims may be affected. Ultimately, getting a loan when you're on benefits is a pretty straightforward process. However, that doesn't mean you should blindly start applying for loans. Instead, do your research and weigh up all your options before considering applying. And if you're looking for more information, just check out the Afforda website. You'll find the link in the description.